Welcome to Top Picks, your ultimate destination for the top picks of all things captivating and remarkable.
Russia's fit any warhead suicide drone, Scalpel, to enter mass production. Expert calls it cheaper version of Lancet UAV. Russia is testing its brand new and multi-purpose unmanned single-use platform called Scalpel, with drones becoming the weapon of choice in the ongoing war.
Vostok Design Bureau (KB) conducted flight tests of the multi-purpose unmanned single-use platform Scalpel. The drone, which is to be introduced in combat in Ukraine, is expected to enter mass production from October 2023, Russian-language TASS News Agency reported.
Flight tests of the multi-purpose disposable platform Scalpel are underway. In the future, it is planned that units of the Russian army will use the platform in special operations as loitering ammunition. In October, the finished product will be provided for use in the Northern Military District zone. The agency quoted the design bureau as saying,
Bendit said that the Vostok Design Bureau had named its one-way UAV Scalpel, which has the same meaning as Lancet. He also highlighted that the bureau claimed that its drone was cheaper than the Lancet, which state arms manufacturer Vostok produces.
Subsequently, a video of what appeared to be the test launch of the Scalpel was also published. The drone could be seen being hand-launched by 2 crew members. Eurasian Times could not independently verify if it was indeed the Scalpel drone, which is currently undergoing testing. The platform, meant for the Russian army, is designed to have various warheads to accomplish different tasks. We tried to make the platform as versatile as possible. The payload compartment is made with a diameter of 125 mm and a length of 650 mm. With the expectation that each unit will
independently decide which warhead to deploy based on its capabilities, the statement said.
Hope you would have liked our video. Subscribe our channel for more amazing videos and be in touch with us.